Sound check, test mic, sound check, sound check, sound check, test mic, test check. Tama. Bago tayo mag-start, let me hear my monitor kung meron pa. Sound check na yun. Yun, no? Okay. Commercial pa eh. Okay, good day to all. Before we proceed, no? Encourage you, mga hindi pa po subscribers, encourage you to please subscribe to my channel, BRICE Academy and Consultancy. Yan, at BRICE AC or more reviews, engineering software, and engineering topics, tutorials. No? And also, I'm offering software trainings, yes. SketchUp, Oracle, Primavera, and Star Pro. You can email me. Pwede po kayo mag-comment dito sa mga videos na to. Sa email, yan, brice.academy@gmail.com. And the number is 0976-026-315, 0932-800-1219. No? Nangyari. Okay. Let me choose my monitor first. Okay, yan. To get access to membership perks, please join this channel. Yan, click join and choose lang kung ano yung category na gusto niyo po, no? Yung channel o kung anong category. Okay. First, MCGI channel. Best Principles of Economics. MCGI channel. And yung TV News and Rescue. Tulong muna bago balita. And yan. Diyos ang aming sandigan. Serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan. Yan po ang problem, no? Then, greenfriendforever or environmental planner board exam, no? Review. Okay, nandito na tayo. Ito yung topic natin. Ito yung ating table ng review, no? Ito yung coverage ng board exam. Then, ito naman yung Rnpcp. Revised National Plumbing Code. So, pinattern ko siya, no? Ulit ko lang yung gagawin natin. Babasahin natin yung nandun sa book. Please pardon me kung medyo pangit pagkabasa, mali, or what, no? And your comment, suggestion, and correction are very much appreciated. So, yan. Dito na tayo sa Chapter 5, Inspection and Test. Okay. Sana na po natin. Section 501, Inspection and Testing. Inspection, Scope, all new plumbing work, and such portions of existing system as may be affected by new work or any changes shall be inspected by the administrative authority to ensure compliance with all the requirements of this code and to assume that the installation and construction of the plumbing system are in accordance with approved plans and specifications. Advance notice shall be the duty of the registered and licensed master plumber doing the work authorized by the permit to notify the administrative authority that said work is ready for inspection. Such notification shall be given not less than 3 days before the work is inspected. Responsibility shall be the duty of the holder of a permit to make sure that the work will stand the test and test prescribed before giving notification and provide all the testing equipment and facilities required. Retesting, if the administrative authority finds that the work will not pass the test, necessary correction shall be made and the work shall then be resubmitted for another test or inspection. Permittee shall be assessed an appropriate fee appearance. Test shall be conducted in the presence of the administrative authority or his duly appointed representative. Corrections. Notices of corrections or violations shall be written by the administrative authority and hand-delivered to the permittee at the site of the work or sent by the registered mail to the permittee's authorized representative. Approval. Upon satisfactory completion of the plumbing work and successful final test of the installation, certificate of approval shall be issued by the administrative authority to the permittee on demand. Covering or use. Excuse me. No plumbing or drainage system, building sewer, private sewer disposal system, or part thereof shall be covered, concealed, or put into use until it has been inspected, tested, and approved as prescribed in this code. Uncovering any drainage or plumbing system, building sewer, private sewage disposal system, or part thereof is installed, altered, or repaired, is covered or concealed before the installation is inspected, tested, and approved as prescribed in this code, shall be uncovered for inspection and testing after notice to uncover the work that has been issued to the responsible person to the job site by the plumbing inspector. Testing. Responsibility. Equipment, material, and labor necessary for inspections or test shall be furnished by the person to whom the permit is issued or by whom inspection is required. Media. The piping of the plumbing, drainage, and venting system shall be tested with water or air. The administrative authority requires the opening or removal of any plug or clean out, etc. Ascertain if the testing media has reached all parts of the system. After the plumbing fixtures have been set and their traps filled with water, they shall be submitted again for final test. Water test. A water test shall be applied to the drainage and vent systems, either in its entirety or in sections. If applied to the entire system, all openings in the piping shall be tightly closed, except the highest opening, and the system filled with water to the point of overflow. If the system is tested in sections, each opening shall be tightly plugged, except the highest opening of the section under test. And each section shall be filled with water. But no section shall be tested with less than a 3-meter head of water. In testing, successive sections at least the upper 3 meters height of the preceding section previously tested shall be tested again so that no joint or pipe in building, except the uppermost 3 meter of the system, shall have been submitted to a test of not less than 3 meters head of water. The water shall be kept in the pipe system or in a portion under test for at least 15 minutes before inspection start. The water shall be kept in the pipe system or in portion under test for at least 15 minutes before the inspection. The system shall be tight at all joints. The air test shall be made by attaching an air compressor testing apparatus to any suitable opening. After closing all other inlets and outlets to the system, air is forced into the pipe until there is a uniform gauge pressure of 34.5 kilopascal or sufficient to balance a column mercury of 254 millimeter in height. Pressure shall be held without introduction of additional air for a period of at least 15 minutes. Building sewer test. Building sewer test shall be tested by plugging the end of the building sewer at its points of connection with the public sewer or private sewage disposal system, and completely filling the building sewer with water from the lowest to the highest point thereof, or by approved equivalent low pressure air test or by such other tests as may be prescribed by the administrative authority. The building sewer shall be watertight at all points. Water piping. Upon completion of a section or of the entire hot and cold water system, supply system, it shall be tested and proved tight under a water pressure not less than the working pressure under which it is to be used plus 50%. Upon completion or of the entire hot and cold water supply systems shall be tested and proved tight under a water pressure not less than the working pressure under which it is to be used plus 50%. The water used for the test shall be obtained from a potable supply source of supply. A 344.5 kilopascal air pressure may be substituted for the water test. In either method of test, the piping shall withstand the test without leaking for a period of not less than 15 minutes. Effective systems. An air test shall be used in testing the tightness condition of the drainage or plumbing system of any building premises. And there is a reason to believe that it has become defective in buildings or premises condemned by the proper administrative authority system or part thereof, the alteration in such system shall conform to the requirements of this code. Move structures. All parts of the plumbing system of any building or part thereof that are moved from one foundation to another or from one location to another shall be completely tested as prescribed for a new work as described, except that walls or floors need not to be removed during that such test when other equivalent means of inspection acceptable to the plumbing system authority or provided. Protective, protectively coated pipe. Inspection and repair shall conform to the section 501 with special care to avoid damage on the outside coating of the pipe and the proper restoration of the damaged portions. Test shower receptors. Shower receptors shall be tested for water tightness by filling with water to the level of the rough threshold. The test plug shall be so placed that both upper and undersides of the subpan shall be subjected to the test at the point where it's clamped to the drain. Section 502, Maintenance. The owner or his agent shall maintain the plumbing and drainage system of his premises under the jurisdiction of the plumbing authority in a sanitary and safe operating conditions. Existing construction, no provision of this code shall be deemed to require a change in any portion of a plumbing or drainage system or any other work regulated by this code in or on existing building or lot when such work was installed and is maintained in accordance with law in effect prior to the effective date of this code. Except when any such plumbing or drainage system or other work regulated by this code is determined by the administrative authority to be in fact dangerous, unsafe, insanitary, or a nuisance and a menace to life, health, or property. Health and Safety, Section 504. Whenever compliance with all the provisions of this code fails to eliminate or alleviate a nuisance or any other dangerous or insanitary condition which involve health or safety hazard, the owner or his agent shall install such additional plumbing and drainage facilities or shall make such repairs or alteration as may be ordered by the plumbing authority. Okay, thank you very much. Hanggang dyan po, natatapos yung ating Section 504. Next topic natin, no? Water Supply and Distribution System. Chapter 6 ng Revised National Plumbing Code, no, of the Philippines, 1999. No? For or comments, for inquiries, comments, suggestions, and corrections, yan. You can email me. You can comment in this video. You can email to this email address and number shown in the screen. No? Yun. Kung mayroon namang gusto mag-motel bookings and reservation, same number din. Hotel, Red Dawn, Sands Hotel, and affiliates. No? Noted ko po, I'm offering software trainings, SketchUp, Primavera, and Staad Pro BI. No? Gustong mag-avail, no? Yung mga interested, you can email me, yan, to this number, Bryce, to this email, bryce.academy@consultancy@gmail.com, to this number, 0976-026-3125, 0932-800-121. Okay, hanggang sa muli, no? Asahan ko po yung inyong, sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe to this channel, no? And kung gusto niyo naman po, please join to this channel. Expect nyo po, marami pa tayong review na itutuloy pa natin yung mga review ng Master Plumber, Material Engineer, hopefully Environmental Planning, and many more. And of course, the software tutorials. Okay, thank you very much and have a great day.